Bernadette from Vero Beach, Florida, has a question about a sunroom makeover.
Yeah, she has an open-air room she's created, and it's given her problems, Tom. Bernadette writes, the ceiling joist strips have started peeling down, and I wanted PVC panels put up there, but because the walls are concrete, she thinks she's been told the trim is just not going to look good on that detail. Then she said she considered using stucco, but was told, no, that's going to get real messy up there. Then someone suggested a 5/8-inch green board painted with primer, then color or a pattern that we'd like. I believe she says you would say not to use green board on a ceiling where there's moisture because it'll sag. So what would you recommend she use?
Actually, she must have listened to the show at some time, because green board is never to be used on a ceiling.
Right.
If you read the specifications, because of the weight of it and the makeup, it's a water-resistant sheetrock. It's not meant for ceilings. If you want to use a smooth product like that, you can do what I did with my own ceilings in my patios off of my house. Use an exterior gypsum board. It's 5-inch thick, but it's a different makeup, and it's meant to be outside where droplets of water can form on it during humid days. And mine's been out there for 25 years and looks brand new. Easy to trim, and it's a nice smooth surface. It holds up well, and people don't realize there's a difference between green rock, which is supposed to go behind cabinets or behind, around tubs where you don't have a shower but it gets humid, that kind of thing, and exterior gypsum. Exterior gypsum is meant to hold up to the elements, not directly, but indirectly, as a ceiling in a patio.
Got it. All right, you got a question? Tom can help you just like that. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom form, fill it out, send it in. We'll send back a video just like this that you'll find on our homepage at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, or even our Facebook page. If you don't follow us on Facebook, man, you are missing out.